You know what, JD Aliens? It is always a good day when Mr. Meat gets to come out of his sheath and open up some new stuff. So let's go ahead and do it, man. Hashtag new stuff in the comments section if you're ready to get into the Mifo 07 with the touchpads. Wait a minute. Let me address the new guy or girl who just showed up. So veterans, step back just a second. Let me talk to these folks. So if you came here to see like a super technical review on some earbuds, headphones, or Bluetooth speakers with a bunch of tech talk that you probably don't understand or don't even care about, you are at the wrong place. Please get out of your chair, push it back nice and neat, and walk out of the building. But if you came to watch a guy recklessly unbox some stuff and get his jam on and possibly humiliate himself on camera, you are in the right place. So sit down and get ready.
Let's do it.
All right, so like I said at the beginning, these are the new and improved Mifo 07 Touch Key True Wireless Earbuds. So they had to put the fact that they are touch key on here because the previous versions they had little buttons that I couldn't stand. But I know this is a highly reflective box. It just, it is what it is. So bear with me. All right, so I know I don't do specs, but they got some key stuff on here I want to talk about. So we'll look at this camera. All right, so Qualcomm chipset, 6mm dynamic driver, phone call communication noise canceling. So not music noise canceling or ambient sound noise canceling, meaning that you're still going to hear an airplane go by. You're just going to have better phone calls. Like the person that you're talking to should not be able to hear a whole bunch of background noise while you're talking to them. That kind of noise canceling. It's really called CBC noise canceling, voice noise canceling. Touch key, meaning that these used to have little buttons on there that were hard to press and you smash the thing in your ear. Now they have touch pads. Bluetooth 5.0, waterproof level is IP67 and blah, blah, blah. Oh, for you battery hogs, 4 to 5 hours of continuous playback. And with the case, it can provide an additional 15 hours. Okay, that's enough specs. That's all you're getting out of me today, man. It's time for Mr. Meat to come out and play. That was a good one. Get that off. Take it off. There you go. Okay, let's get into it. Dude, why are you so far back? Get in here, man. Look at this. Do you smell that? Yeah. Ooh. Yes, that smells like new stuff. Let's get it again. Hashtag new stuff in the comment section, baby. You know what? I do like Mifo's unboxing experience and build materials. Mifo has never let me down on that. All right, so this box right here, it says data line. So I'm assuming that this is your charger cable or charging cable, which is a USB-C to USB-A, which I don't know why they call it data line. It's a charging cable in this respect right here, but you can transfer data through here. All right, so let's put that back because I got plenty of those. You know what? That brings me to a question. Are y'all upset about like Samsung and Apple possibly talking about eliminating chargers and cables with the new phone sales? Because, like I said, I got plenty of these cables right here. Is that something y'all are even concerned about? I wonder, because at first I thought, okay, they're going to charge me the same price, but give me less. But seriously, man, I got tons of chargers. So I don't know. I guess I'm not bothered by it. It is what it is. And this is a bag full of ear tips. They have several in here. Medium, small, large, and gigantic. That's what they got in there. And then you got some instructions, which I typically need with Mifo products because they always have some kind of secrecy going on in their interface. All right, yeah, this is another machine aluminum case, and it is tiny, man. Look at that. It's very tiny, which I can really appreciate because it is highly pocketable. You could slide this in your pocket. Nobody would ever know anything was in there, and you wouldn't feel uncomfortable carrying this. But it does pack some weight, man. It's the heaviest earbud case I've ever had in my hand, and it just feels like quality. So let's, ooh. Man, go ahead, Mifo. This is kind of sexy. Cue that music. Yeah, look at that. That's pretty, man. That's real pretty. Okay, enough of the sexiness. Let's get back to the video. Okay, so, let me get this out of here. Okay, the magnet is strong on these. Let me flip it over. Got a strong magnet, so it's not going to just pop out because they keep wanting to go back into the case. So as I put these in my ears, oh yeah, I got to change out these ear tips. These are not going in deep enough. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna change the ear tips, and when I come back, I'm gonna let you know the answer to the one question you really have. You know what that question is. Come on, bruh. But do they jam though? It never fails. Honey and ginger ale. Okay, wait. It's a double tap. There we go. Oh, the thing stuck in my ear. Did it? Oh, is it in my ear? Okay, hold on. It fell out. Oh, I didn't put it on there good enough. All right, man. Oh, there it is. There it is. All right, look. I only got one problem with these earbuds. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you what it is. They don't go in really deep into your ear canal. So you're gonna have to work it a little bit to get in there and sit where it's supposed to sit to seal off your ear. That is the only issue I have with these earbuds. You know, in my past videos about Mifo earbuds, the Mifo 07 style of earbuds, I have not been very generous. The only thing I've been generous about is the build quality of the case. Everything else, I was like, man. But these, they finally got it right. What y'all know about that shoulder shake? Okay, except for the, you know, the depth of the ear canal or of the earbud. I can't put this in here. But everything else, they finally, Mifo, thumbs up, 2 emoji hands up. These, oh, these are good. They just gotta beat it. Everything is great about the sound of these things. And then they added the added functionality of the touch ear pads. That was another problem that I had with their previous versions. Touch ear pads, flawless. Double tap to play and pause. Single tap on the right to turn the volume up like a click. If you hold it, it'll continue to go up. I think so. Hold on, let me check. No. A single tap on the right will get the volume to go up 1 click. Single tap on the left to go up 1 click, and you just keep tapping to keep going up. But then you got triple taps on the left and right to go through your tracks back and forth. And then you hold for like 2 seconds on either ear and you get your voice assistant, which is perfect. That is what I call full control, because what else are you gonna need, right? Mifo, home run with these. Let us pump it a little bit. Oh, I like the sound. I didn't even talk about the sound. Let me talk about the sound. Okay, so sound is very, very, very well balanced. Previous versions have been a little bass heavy and muddy. These, they've taken it down a notch. That doesn't mean they're not great on bass, because they are. It just means that they've refined the sound quite a bit to make everything sound pleasant together. So the highs are where they're supposed to be, mids are where they're supposed to be, and the bass levels are where they're supposed to be. If you're like a super deep bass head, maybe not for you. But if you're a listener of music and you enjoy all types of music, definitely for you. I really enjoyed my jam session with these. I went through a couple of songs, not from every genre, but I went through a couple of songs, and yeah, I can't complain about nothing as far as like the music quality and the controls. It's just that one little gripe I got about, you know, let me show you real quick. Come in here, dude. There you go. Y'all far back again. Get in here, dude. All right, so this looks like it might go deep into the ear canal, but not mine. I mean, maybe yours are a little bit more shallow, but in my ears, this doesn't go very deep. So that's my only gripe here. Other than that, man, if you got like, you know, decent size or maybe even shallow ear canals, oh, these are gonna be great. You're gonna love these, especially the way they kind of sit in that little divot in your ear. They're not, you know, sticking out or nothing like that. Case is beautiful. Look at that case. The case is just small, very well built and gorgeous. But I guess there is one thing or two things I need to test. Let's do a quick hot swapping test. Oh yeah, I did test YouTube videos. I didn't test Netflix. I don't feel like doing all that. But on YouTube videos, they do play and there's no latency at all. So now I got to put this ear tip on here. Hold on, give me a second. Okay, music is playing. I'm putting the left earbud into the case. There you go. Close it. Still playing. Yeah, still playing. I'll take it out. I'm jamming, dude. This thing is still playing right here. All right, let me put this one in there. Close it. Okay, it stopped. But hold on. Did it disconnect? Hold on. Something going on. Okay, there we go. You just double tap it and you get it to play again. And what I noticed with these, what I noticed with the pairing process of these, you do pair the left and the right. So that's how they keep that hot swapping going. There might be a little step in there where you need to double tap to get that music playing again, but you should be all right. Now let's just test the phone call quality real quick, because I know some of y'all road warriors can't go without your phone call quality. So let me get my recorder going. So right now, yeah, you're hearing the sound of the Mifo '07 new edition. I don't even know what edition this is. It's like the fourth one we've had in here, but these are on point. So hopefully the call quality is good because you're listening to it live and direct. All right, man, that's it, man. That's really all I got to say about these. I am definitely no expert in any of this stuff, but what I do know is life is too short not to be getting your jam on. And just open up and take it, baby. It's Friday. Mr. Meat got to come out and play. I got some good jams going in these earbuds. They sound good. Man, I'm having a doggone good day. So give me some emoji hands up in the comment section. And before I get out of here, let me remind y'all of something, man. We're all good people here. Even though it seems like the world is upside down and on fire, we're all still good people. So y'all keep being good to each other, and I'll see you when I see you. Oh, so you one of them cats that like to just run up in a place, take what you want, then leave, huh? Man, you better hit that subscribe and notification button. That way you know when I'm over here opening up new stuff. And while you're down there, you might want to consider tapping that join button and becoming a member, because membership has its perks. See, that wasn't so bad. All right, man, I appreciate you, and I'll see you at the next one.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this not why you are here?